Hello! My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. We're on Bombs for Josh, part 17. That's our subtask. The main master index is 666. Every video, we add a little bit of code, and we increment that number. We're on video 666. We're going to edit the ABOMB+ARTGIRL and ArtGirl system in this video. Source code is here. We're going to go over all the 666 deltas and review the changes we've done. So first of all, in the ArtGirl shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, we've added the injection site token for the eans type tiles right here. And let's go down to the next section. So in data by system, we have within the ABOMB8 data section created the eans table, lookup table here. So we created the graphics in the previous video, and now we're just creating a lookup table that takes a v16 and gives us an uncompressed A81 graphic of a eans design. So 0 through 15 inclusive here for a total of 16 values. Then down a little bit further, we have the compressed version of that lookup table. So a v16 converted to a u81. So a u81 is like a compressed graphic, and it's going to be of an eans type design. And we're going to allocate the same amount of memory that we did for these because it's all very uniform. In ArtGirl, in our preprocessor function, we need to support the new injection site token. So within our lookup table of arrays, we're going to add the eans lookup table right here above the geometry bomb and fata. And then in our lookup table of names, we need to add the eans name above the geometry bomb and fata name. So this is the name we're going to use on the GPU when referring to this, which is the same name we use on the CPU for consistency. Here's our lookup table of injection site tokens, and here's the injection site token for the eans lookup table above geometry bomb and fata. We need to increment the max index right here, which we're doing from 29 to 30, and that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. We have some footnotes and stuff, and if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We do not have time on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are down here. Like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. My name is Kanji Coder.